In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlight assembly on your GMC K1500. This will be located behind the front grille. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws for the lower light. Pull the fixture straight out. We're going to remove the 2 bulbs out of the back. To do this, we're going to push on this tab and twist. And repeat this same process on the other side. Remove the bulb socket from the reflector. Twist it, pull it straight back, and remove it. Do that same thing on the other side. Remove the 4 7mm screws on the top of the grille. There's 1 more 7mm bolt in the top center of the grille. Go ahead and remove that. Going behind the light fixture we took out, there's going to be these tabs for the bumper. These are going to be located on both sides. We're going to pull up on that tab and pull the bumper forward. That tab will unlock the front grille from it. Looking straight down below the engine latch, you're going to find 1 more black plastic clip that you need to remove. We're just going to pick up on that and then pull the grille forward. This needs to slide back. Remove the grille. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts for the headlight assembly. Pull the assembly forward, and we're going to remove the 2 bulbs. Lift up on the tabs, push straight back. Do the same thing on the other one. And remove the headlight assembly. Install the connectors into the new headlight assembly. Push until it seats over that little clip. Get the assembly up into place. There's little alignment pins in the back that'll drop in. You won't be able to move it around once they drop in. Get all the bolts started. Snug down all of the bolts. Make sure they're nice and snug. Repeat the same process for the other side. Install the grill, being sure to line up those tabs. Get the grill clicked into place. Install the screws for the grill. Install the screw for the middle of the grill. Install the bulb for the reflector. Install it, turn it, lock it in place. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the bulbs, twist until that tab locks. Install the light. Get all the screws started. Go around and snug them all down. Do the same thing on the other side.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.